stay healthy and smart. As you all know, your various other teachers might have given you various projects. Now, you should be knowing that CBSE sent us a guideline and they have asked us that, like, we are living in Uttar Pradesh, that is our state, and we have to know about the art and culture of our country. And specifically, they have told you that let us first begin from Maharashtra. So that's the who are following. They should know the various art and cultural forms of Meghalaya and Uttar Pradesh. Now, this also we have divided into sections. 6A and 6B will be doing for Meghalaya, 6C and 6D would be doing for Arunachal Pradesh. So, since you all are 6B, we will stick on to Meghalaya. Now, in this same way, I gave you a project, social science project or social science activity, whatever you call it. You will take a punch sheet. Now, the first page of the punch sheet, when you see at it, you'll see the ruled side. Now, on that ruled side, the first heading you'll write will be social science activity. After you write that, then you write the name of the activity, and that is the national symbols of India. After that, you will write that whole table that I have given you. Now, if it fits in the first page, it's okay. If it does not fit in the first page, you will attach a second punch sheet, and on the ruled side, you will write about it. Now, on the first punch sheet, ruled side, you started writing the table. Now, when you turn it, the first punch sheet, when you turn it, has on the other side the blank side. Now, that blank side will be used as sticking the pictures of any 10 national symbols of your choice. Okay? Out of those 17 that you have written, if supposing you know some more, you are free to write them. Okay? But supposing you do not know, then only write the ones which I have given you on the table. You write as many as you want, but sticking the pictures, you will be only sticking 10 pictures on the back side of the first punch paper. Then on the second punch paper, if the table has gone on to the second punch paper, no problem. The remaining place is left. In that place, you will do the important work, and that is the important dance form of Meghalaya. Any one dance form of Meghalaya. It could be a classical dance, it could be a folk dance, any dance form which is only prevalent in Meghalaya. Okay, you'll write a paragraph of about 50 words, and then if you have place below it, you'll stick a picture. If you don't have a place, then when you start the second punch, switch off your mic. Switch off your mic, children.
Ma'am,
Yes.
m-
When
ma'am,
turn
ma'am, I already make the project and on the I take one sheet and on the rule side I write social science project and take another sheet and then make a table, ma'am.
no, only two punch papers will be needed. And do as I have told you, because on the first punch paper you'll write, then on the first back side of the punch paper you'll stick the 10 pages, 10 photographs. Then on the second punch paper you write about the dance form of Meghalaya, and if you have place below it, you will stick pictures there. Otherwise, you will turn the second punch paper blank side and you stick the pictures there. Now, for the dance form, at least two pictures should be there. Okay, at least two. Maximum could be four, but at least two should be there. Now, coming on to one another thing, that while you are sticking pictures, supposing you do not get a picture of any particular national symbol, you
यार
can
यहाँ
also draw them,
क्यों
but
ट्रायंगल
they
बनाओ,
should fit in.
यहाँ 10 को लगाओ, यहाँ अगर यहाँ तक आता है वो लगाओ,
Switch
दो
off
ही
your
पेड़
mic,
लगेंगे।
please do not open your mic. Switch off your mics right now, everyone. And do not open your mic, it gets very disturbing. Okay, so only two punch papers. If you add more than punch papers, it will be invalid. Now, coming to another important thing about the various projects that you make about on various subjects, all the project work will be kept in one single file. Now, whenever you have a art period, you please ask these questions from Abhijit sir, which I'm telling you. First question is, you will ask Abhijit sir how you will make the file cover page. That means the file page, how and what details you'll write there. You'll ask Abhijit sir. This is your first question. Then your second question from Abhijit sir would be you have to ask him on the first punch paper which you'll add where you'll write your name, etc., name, class, section, roll number, teacher, mother's name, father's name, institution's name, all these details. Tell him to give you a proper order in which you have to write and how you write. And third question you'll ask about acknowledgement. You'll ask Abhijit sir, will he be giving you any set pattern of acknowledgement? What is the way to write an acknowledgement? Then the fourth question you'll ask Abhijit sir is about the index. Then you have to write the index subject wise, like which is it English, Hindi, social science? What is the order of arranging the subjects in the index? Only then you can write the index. All the subjects of class 6 which the teacher has given you the project. You will assemble it in one single file. You will have one single file cover. You will have one single name class section. You will have one single acknowledgement and you will have one single index where you will mention all the subjects that you have taken and in which order they are placed. For all this, you have to wait for your art class. When Abhijit sir comes in for the class, please ask him these. And for now, for social science, only this particular project that I've given you, where you are supposed to draw the national symbols and write about that national symbol in the form of a table and the dance form of Meghalaya, sticking pictures. Only this is your social science project. Okay? Once you make them, keep them ready. You don't have to do anything else. You'll be told about it later. Anything that is needed will be told to you. Anything else that you need to ask?
Yes, ma'am, we have to write the table of national symbols and the heading of social science on one page.
Yes, child. On the topmost first punch paper, ruled side, you write social science activity or you write social science project, whatever you want. After that, below it, you write national symbols of India. Then after that, you start writing it in the form of a table as I have given here. Once the table is complete, then you take up the second question that write the popular dance form of Meghalaya and you write about it in a paragraph of 50 words, not more than that. And then you stick pictures of the national symbols, 10 national symbols you stick pictures, and any two pictures of the dance form. Or it could be four pictures if you want, not more than four. Okay? And all should come in just two punch papers. No extra punch papers, no writing your names here and there. It is not needed. Okay? Anything else? Okay. So, and next class will begin with that should be told for learning class. This class we end now. Is there anything else? If there is, leave a message or leave a text message or an audio message. I will solve your problem. Ask your problem in the group so that I answer it and it becomes easy for others also to know it. Okay? With this, I
Okay,
end the
ma'am.
class. Bye, class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,